Hey everyone, welcome back to English in Action. I'm John.
And I'm Lily. We're so happy to have you here with us today.
Because today we're going to have a really fun lesson. Our topic is talking about your weekend.
Yeah, you know that moment when someone asks you, "So, how was your weekend?" And you just say, "It was good."
Not very exciting, right?
Don't worry, we're going to change that.
Today, you'll learn real phrases to make your answers sound interesting and natural.
And don't worry, this is perfect for A1 to A2 learners. We'll speak slowly, clearly, and we'll repeat phrases so you can practice with us.
We'll also do shadowing practice. That means you repeat after us, just like an echo.
So speak out loud with us. Don't be shy. This is your safe space to practice English.
All right, let's warm up with some easy questions and answers. I'll ask, you answer. If you don't know what to say, just copy my answer. How was your weekend?
It was great. Your turn. Repeat. It was great.
Did you do anything fun?
Yes, I went to the park. Now you try. Repeat. I went to the park.
Did you stay at home?
No, I went out with my friends. Your turn. Repeat. No, I went out with my friends.
Great job! See? Even simple answers can start a conversation.
Cheerfully. But today we're going to take it a step further.
We'll give you useful weekend phrases, and then we'll have a real podcast conversation so you can hear them in action.
Ready? Let's go.
English in action.
All right, everyone. Before John and I talk about our weekend, let's learn some super useful phrases you can use to talk about your weekend.
Exactly. Listen carefully and then repeat after me. Ready? I had a great weekend. I had a great weekend. I had a great weekend.
I stayed at home and relaxed. I stayed at home and relaxed. I stayed at home and relaxed.
I went out with my friends. I went out with my friends. I went out with my friends.
I watched a really good movie. I watched a really good movie. I watched a really good movie.
I visited my family. I visited my family. I visited my family.
I went shopping for new clothes. I went shopping for new clothes. I went shopping for new clothes.
I played football in the park. I played football in the park. I played football in the park.
I cooked a big dinner for my family. I cooked a big dinner for my family. I cooked a big dinner for my family.
I took a lot of pictures. I took a lot of pictures. I took a lot of pictures.
I went to the beach and swam in the sea. I went to the beach and swam in the sea. I went to the beach and swam in the sea.
So, Lily, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was great, John. I had a really relaxing time. I stayed at home on Saturday morning, but in the afternoon, I went shopping.
Shopping. Nice. What did you buy?
Well, I bought a new dress and a pair of shoes. I also picked up some fresh vegetables and fruit from the market.
Sounds like a productive day. Did you go alone or with someone?
I went with my cousin. She loves shopping, so we had a lot of fun together. We also stopped at a small cafe and had coffee.
Oh, that sounds nice. What about Sunday?
Sunday was quiet. I stayed home, cooked a big lunch for my family, and then watched a movie in the evening.
That sounds perfect. What movie did you watch?
It was a romantic comedy. Very funny. I laughed so much. What about you, John? How was your weekend?
My weekend was busy, but fun. On Saturday morning, I played football in the park with some friends.
Oh, who won?
My team, of course. We played for almost 2 hours. After that, we went to a small restaurant and had lunch.
That's a nice way to spend the day. And Sunday?
On Sunday, I visited my parents. We had a family lunch, and later, I helped my dad fix the garden fence.
Wow, that's very helpful of you.
Yeah, I enjoy helping them. In the evening, I relaxed and watched some old photos from our last vacation.
Aw, that's a nice way to end the weekend.
You know, weekends are so important. It's a time to rest, enjoy, and do things you love.
Absolutely. And it's also a great time to spend with friends and family.
So to everyone listening, what about you? How was your weekend? Try to tell us in English.
Yes, use the sentences we practiced earlier. You can say things like, I had a great weekend, or I went shopping, or I watched a movie.
Lily, tell us about your weekend. Little more.
Well, John, it was such a fun weekend. Let me tell you everything from the beginning. On Saturday morning, I woke up a little later than usual. I guess I was really tired from the week. I made myself a big breakfast, pancakes with honey and fresh fruit.
Wow, pancakes. That sounds delicious.
They were. And I made way too many. I ended up calling my neighbor to come and share them. After breakfast, I decided to go to my favorite cafe. It's small but very cozy, with wooden tables and the smell of fresh coffee everywhere.
And what did you have there?
Just a cappuccino and a croissant. I sat by the window, watching people walk by, and read a book for about an hour.
Then what did you do?
Then I went shopping. I needed a new jacket, And I found a really nice one. Dark blue, perfect for autumn.
Oh, so you went for just one jacket. But did you buy anything else?
Maybe a scarf, too. It was on sale, so I couldn't resist. In the afternoon, I met my friend Sarah in the park. We walked, talked, and enjoyed the sunny weather. There were children playing, dogs running around, and the trees were full of golden leaves.
Sounds lovely. Did you take any pictures?
Oh, yes. Too many, actually. My phone storage is almost full now. Later, we bought some ice cream, even though it was a bit chilly, and just sat on a bench talking about life. In the evening, I stayed at home. I cooked pasta with fresh tomatoes and basil. The smell filled the whole kitchen.
And what about Sunday?
Sunday was slower. Gently, I spent the morning cleaning a bit, then I made myself some tea and listened to music. Around noon, I went for a walk near the river. The water was so calm, and I could hear the birds singing.
Then what happened?
Then I visited my parents. We had lunch together. My mom cooked roast chicken with vegetables. It was so nice to be with them.
Sounds like you had a perfect weekend.
Yes, I really did. I feel ready for the new week now.
Well, that was a great conversation, Lily. I think everyone watching learned some new words and phrases today.
I hope so. And remember, you can practice these phrases again and again. The more you repeat them, the more natural your English will sound.
Yes. Maybe this week, try telling someone about your weekend, just like Lily did today.
And don't forget to use the phrases we practiced earlier in the video.
And if you forget them, well, that's a good reason to watch the video again.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now. Hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Bye.